If you're thinking about buying a used Ram 1500, there's one specific model year that still catches buyers off guard and ends up costing more than expected. And the problem is, on the surface, this truck looks like a great deal, which is exactly why so many people still fall into this trap. But once you understand what actually happens with this year, you'll see why many experienced owners and mechanics tell people to be careful. Because this isn't about one obvious issue, it's about a combination of problems that don't always show up right away. At first, everything seems fine. The truck runs well, drives smoothly, and nothing feels wrong during a quick test drive. But after a few months of driving, that's when many owners start noticing small issues that slowly begin to add up. And the first sign is usually something minor, something easy to ignore, especially if you're not familiar with these trucks. That's why so many buyers think they got a good deal, until those small signs turn into something more serious. One of the biggest issues with this year is how certain engine problems develop slowly instead of failing all at once. That slow progression makes it harder to detect early, which is exactly why many buyers don't see it coming. And by the time it becomes obvious, the repair is usually no longer something simple or cheap. That's when the cost starts to surprise people, because what looked like a good deal turns into a much bigger expense. And this is where most buyers realize the mistake, not at the time of purchase, but months later when repairs begin. What makes it worse is that many of these trucks still look clean, well-maintained, and problem-free on the outside. So visually, nothing raises concern, which makes it even easier for this model year to keep trapping buyers. Another reason this keeps happening is because this year is often priced lower than others, making it very attractive. Buyers see the price, compare it to newer models, and think they're getting a great deal. But what they don't see is the long-term cost that can come with that lower upfront price. That's why experienced owners always recommend looking beyond price when it comes to this specific Ram year. Because in many cases, saving money up front can end up costing much more later. If you're still considering buying one, there are a few things you absolutely need to check before making a decision. Things that most sellers won't mention, and things that don't always show up during a quick inspection. Because catching these signs early can be the difference between a smart buy and a costly mistake. And once you understand how this year behaves over time, you start to see why it has the reputation it does. Not because every truck fails, but because enough of them do to make it a real concern. And that's what traps buyers. Not a guaranteed problem, but a risk that many people underestimate. So the question isn't just which Ram to buy, it's which ones you should be more careful with. Because knowing this before you buy can save you from a mistake that many people only understand after it's too late. And that's exactly why this particular Ram 1500 year continues to catch buyers off guard. And if you're planning to buy one, this is something you definitely want to know before making that decision.